Hey, what's going on, fine folks of YouTube? You got the old Mongo man here with you tonight. Obviously, we are not in Mongo's garage. I find myself out here on the road for work tonight, but that's not going to stop us from posting some content for y'all. KJ was pretty busy today working on sketch in the garage, and he sent me some videos, so we're going to put that together in a nice little video here for you. Let you see what the young man got done and where he's headed. But in the meantime, just sit right on back there and enjoy the video. Let us know what you think. All right, let's see what he got done.
Welcome back to Mongo's garage. Today we got sketch in the garage. Just pop the hood off of it because it doesn't stay open anymore. With a good old 302 fuel injected in it. Cleaned the garage up a little bit this morning, just read some stuff up. Pushed the motor back because it was sitting there. There's a rebuilt axle that's sitting there. And just transmission's gone that was sitting there now. Have somebody coming to look at the motor today. Then I gotta take both doors off and both fenders off because I got those sold. The radio is actually already out of it, so I got it sold. I think somebody's coming to look at that hood too. Yeah, super easy. The radio just came right out, no problems. The cab's is junk. I mean, you can put your foot right through the floor of it. This door's actually in decent shape. That's just surface rust down there. So, we'll get tearing into her. Gotta take the transmission out, get the engine out, cab off, cut the cab in half. That's what you do with these junkers. Welcome back to Mongo's garage. Kenny's been busy all day. Got both headlights, the grill out, the bump, the hood off. Bam. Both doors off, both fenders off. About 4 more bolts and he can pull the cab. Wow. No fenders, no inner fenders. All that's off. Everything's sold besides the cab and the hood and all and the stuff inside of it. And the axles. So if anybody needs anything, just leave it in the comments and let us know. Somebody came today, looked at the 302, fired right up, sold it. And I gave him the computer with it. Which actually, this is the computer here. He wants the computer and I'm getting another manual transmission. So yeah. Welcome back. The truck looks a little different now. Cab's gone. Took it off. Had to grind that one down. Unbolted that one, and that one just rotted away so bad. I take the fuel tank out of it. There's still the rear one in it. Got everything unplugged from it. So the next plan is that I unbolt the transmission from it. Unbolt the transmission cross member because that's gonna need that. Unbolt the drive shafts. Unbolt the motor. Cut the exhaust off of it. And pull it all out. And I don't know what I'm gonna do with these axles. I don't know if I'm gonna save them or just cut them up and send them on to the scrapyard. There's a cab. No seat or anything in it now. Wiring harness is all right there. Everything's off the front of it. This is when they took the bed off of it, they broke the back window out of it. Still just swing pedals and I haven't taken those out yet. And I gotta take that computer out. This big thing back here. Yeah. Plan for tomorrow is to pull the transmission, motor, transfer case, maybe just roll it onto the trailer the way it is. Guy for the doors and all that stuff's coming to look at it Wednesday. Hopefully picking it all up. And this guy for the motor and motor is supposed to, I'll just text him when I get it pulled.
Hey, well, what do you think of that, huh? KJ was pretty busy. Got the cab off of that thing and got her all ready to go. Looks like the motor will be coming out of it next, and then we'll have to get that gone to the guy that wants to buy it, cut the frame up or do whatever we're going to do there and get rid of all the pieces and parts. But that one didn't last very long. I think we picked it up Saturday. It sat around there Sunday, and today, of course, Monday, he already got it in pieces. So he's been a pretty busy dude. All right, that's all for tonight. Hope you guys liked it. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment on the videos. The channel is growing. It seems as though the YouTube short platform is working, and we're getting a lot more subscribers from it. So thanks a lot. Once again, guys, girls, keep on coming back and enjoying the content here on Mongo's Garage, and let us know what you think. Till later, we'll talk to you later. Mongo Man is out.